Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Vivo Y19 smartphone. In this video, you learn how you can set ringtone in your phone Vivo Y19. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 incoming call ringtone. These are all the system ringtones. Just you can select any one and click on custom ringtone here, and you can select any music file. If you have any music file in your memory card or in your local folder, you can select from this list. Yes, it is activated. In a similar way, you can set a ringtone for SIM2 either from custom ringtone or system ringtones. This is custom ringtone, and these are all the system ringtones. Just pick up any one. Next, SIM1 message tone. These are all system tones, and also you can set a tone from custom. So this is also similar way what I have done earlier, and also you can set SIM2 message tone. So SIM1 incoming call ringtone and SIM2 incoming call ringtone, SIM1 message tone, SIM2 message tone are all of the same process for setting up. Next, this is calendar alert ringtones. This is also similar. Next, notification ringtone. Choose from custom ringtone or system ringtones. So all processes are same. Click on alarm ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done set earlier. Then here you can just control some tones like dial-pad touch tone. Just you can select from the available options here, and touch sound, screen lock sound, screen capture tone, message sent sound. Just you can turn off or turn on. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.